Okay, do y'all see how this came out? Wow. Wow, wow, and wow. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please do subscribe and join the family. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You guys know how much I appreciate your support. So today's video, we are going to do an unboxing and a review from our good friends at Curlkalon. So if you are interested, stay tuned. All right, guys, so this video is a sponsored video. Curlkalon reached out to me and they sent me some hair to review. I honestly have absolutely no idea what it is. I want it to be surprised so I can challenge my creativity and make it work and see what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do the unboxing. It came in this beautiful pink shipping. Okay, now although this is a sponsored video, if you guys know anything about me, I am very big on my integrity, so I will be completely honest and transparent with you guys, tell you guys the pros and the cons. So don't worry, you don't have to worry about, you know, no. We care about our integrity over here. Okay, so first things first is this is a really cute, you know, box. I feel like when people send their products in a box, I feel like they really care. I know it could be a stretch, and don't get me wrong, I have received units in hair in a bag and it was still amazing quality, but I don't know, I feel like sending it in a box just, you know, sprinkle a little extra razzle dazzle of care on there. So it says Curlkalon hair. Now we're gonna take out the little invoice, because you know, has my info on there. We're not doing that. But on the invoice, okay, so I have a 14-inch blown out straight headband wig. Yay! Okay, so curls with confidence. How cute. Okay, so this information, it lets us know that they have different curl patterns. I don't know if this is human or not, so we're gonna find out. But it says curls with confidence. Our curls come in 4 sizes. 10-inch, 20-inch, 24-inch. It says 20, 10, 24, but it says 4 sizes, so I don't know what that means. We promise to always go above and beyond, provide stress-free, affordable hair products to our curl friends. They have the Tony curl, the Kinsey curl, the Sanaya curl, and the Carrie curl. So they're just basically different curl patterns, and it kind of looks like, I think this looks like crochet hair to me. Now they are on Instagram and Facebook. Of course, they have their email, and then they have their website, www.curlkalon.com. So their hair, it says it's the first brand of pre-curled, high-quality, 100% Curlkalon hair that gives the most natural-looking crochet braiding style. So that's actually super dope. So if you want a curly crochet style, not sure if this is human or not, but we will find out together. Yeah, it doesn't say if it's human hair or not. So that's all that's in the box. Now to the headband wig. So this is a 14-inch blown out straight drawstring ponytail. Okay, I don't know what it is because the invoice says headband wig and then on this it says ponytail. Sorry, you can't see it. So let's see what it is. It is a headband wig. They probably just put the wrong sticker on there. Okay. So initial thoughts. It smells like hair. I know a lot of people are really into like what it smells like, but if you're gonna wash it anyways, it really doesn't matter. But to me, hair just has a smell. Unless the company washes it before sending it to you, it's gonna smell like factory. So it doesn't stink, it just smells like hair. Okay, so first things first, we have a good high quality headband. I love that they're using, I forget what material this is, but it's not gonna break off your edges, so that's dope. Okay, cool. The stitching looks amazing. It looks like very high quality, so that's good to know. Again, this is a 14-inch. Now this comes with 4 combs, 2 on the sides, one in the middle, and then one in the back. Okay, now I don't know if you've ever worn a headband wig before. I'm actually wearing one right now. Headband wigs, I feel like, are a must have. I feel like everyone needs one in the cusp, because you never know. Sometimes you might be doing a twist out on your hair and somebody might, your homegirl might call you like, hey girl, let's go to happy hour real quick. Or your man might be like, oh, let's go on a little date. And you're like, your twist out's not even dry. You know, what are you gonna do? You did all that work. So baby, you just pop a little headband wig right on top and go on about your business. Okay, so it has the, I always forget what this is called, but y'all know what it's called, that. I'll put it right here. So, okay, let's do the initial try on together. Okay, this hair is extremely soft. Let me back up. This hair is extremely soft. So we can do a lot with this. Okay, we can do a little half up, half down. Of course, we're gonna lay our edges. We can do flexi rods, perm rods, and it sounds like we can curl this hair. And I will ask them if this is human or not, and also see if I can get the direct link for this, and of course list their information below. So far I'm loving what we're seeing here today. Now I am going to wash this unit and style it. I'm probably gonna do like a small or like a mini reel or TikTok. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you guys do follow me on Instagram at Hairvolutions and TikTok at Hairvolutions as well. So I'll probably style that in a different video, and then I'll come back at the end with my final thoughts. But again, this is a sponsored video from Curlkalon. This hair feels amazing. It's extremely full. It looks like we have some layers in here. There is no shedding whatsoever. And I love kinky straight hair, first of all. Let me just tell y'all that. Because kinky straight hair gives the illusion that it's your hair and it's just blown out. I love that blown out look. Like, this is probably one of my favorite looks when it comes to like weaves or wigs, is the blown out look. Because it's like, okay girl, I see you with your blow dry, and you like, yes girl, hang time. I know that's right. Who ain't got hang time? I do. All right, so let's style, let's wash this, style it, and then I'll be right back with my final thoughts on this hair. Before I show you her, I decided to just do some cornrows to the back, lay my edges out, and you know, I wanted to do something different. Like the headband wig, usually you just lay your edges, put your headband on, but I actually wanted to do something different, so I'm gonna do a bang. I decided to do this bang since we're doing the blown out look. I'm gonna do like a blown out bang, kind of feather it to feed into it and make it look super natural. So hopefully it turns out cute. But I wanted to show you her, and I'll post a little clip of me straightening her hair. She straightened very, very well. So again, I don't know if this is human hair, but I will let you guys know in the description box, or maybe post it here. So I don't know if this is human hair, but it did straighten extremely well. And I think I straightened it on like 400, 420. But of course I use heat protected. So let me see, hold on. I'm gonna show you guys the first look. You don't have to use this, but I like to just, you know, just want to protect the braids. You never know. And I don't usually use the combs because I don't want to add any extra tension on my hair, and that has nothing to do with this company. Just in general, I got poked. Just in general, I try to do as less tension as possible. Okay, so let's get this first look with you guys. Okay, now because I am putting her so far back, I will probably have to use the comb. So we're gonna put her in a ponytail. Hold on, I'm gonna fix my camera. Okay, it's giving. It's giving. So then we're just gonna flat iron this, but let's see how it looks. Ooh. Oh, it's giving. It's giving. It is giving. And then of course with headband wigs, you know you guys can flip this. So if you don't want the headband to be super thick, you can adjust it. But again, since we have a bang, ooh, it's giving. I was kind of nervous because I am getting ready to go somewhere. I'm happy with this. Again, I'll come back when I'm all done. I'm just gonna flat iron this, do my makeup, get all cute, and come back with my final thoughts. Okay, do y'all see how this came out? Wow. Wow, wow, and wow. This hair straightened amazing, like amazing. It's blending seamlessly. Again, it's giving the blown out look. As you guys saw, I threw some curls in there. And I would absolutely wear this unit. I wanted to do something different. I didn't want to do your traditional, you know, flip over headband wig, not flip over headband wig. I wanted to do something different, so I decided to get a little bang, and she's giving what she needs to give. So it's a yes for me, for sure. I want to say thank you so much to Curlkalon Hair for sending me this unit. It is 14 inches. I will leave the additional information in the description box. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But this wig, this headband wig, it's giving. Like, I love how natural it literally looks. Like I just flat ironed my hair. It's giving. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Hairvolutions and TikTok at Hairvolutions, Twitter at Hairvolutions IG. My Poshmark's below. Everything about me, if you guys want to find me, it's listed below. So this is how it would look if I just wore it as a regular headband wig. But because I'm extra, I had to add a bang. That is all. So thank you so much for watching my channel. It really helps me out when you guys thumbs up and comment. I would really appreciate if you guys can do that so you guys can help me with my YouTube algorithm. And let me know if you guys have any other questions. So thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, join the family, and until next time. And I almost forgot to mention, I have a discount code below in the description box, so make sure you guys use my code to save some coins.